Welcome to the class. Students, as we are discussing the chapter number 4, that is the structure of atom in science. And in the very last video, we have seen Rutherford atomic model, in which we have seen the drawbacks of Rutherford. Along with we have seen the model of an atom. And today we are going to see more in detail regarding this topic. The important features for this topic are Bohr atomic model, introduction of Niels Bohr, postulates, energy level of atom, representation of cell, and self-study. So we saw till now that very first there was a Thomson who came and tried to discover the arrangement of atom, that is arrangement of electron and proton in the atom. Then came Rutherford. So Bohr tried to explain the arrangement of atom. They conducted their own experiment. They assumed it, and even they had many of the drawbacks. So after that, one more scientist came who tried to find the arrangement of atom. That is Bohr. That is Niels Bohr. So in this lecture, specifically we are going to see in detail regarding Niels Bohr. So first we will see the very basic introduction about Niels Bohr. So Niels Bohr, he was born in Copenhagen on 7 October 1885. He was appointed as a professor of physics at the Copenhagen University in 1916. He also got the Nobel Prize for his work on the structure of atom in the year 1922. Among the professors bore numerous writing, and he had appeared his writing in many books. They are as follow: The Theory of Spectra and Atomic Constitution, The Atomic Theory, and The Description of Nature. So students, now we'll see the postulates of the Bohr atomic model. So in order to overcome from the objection which were raised against the Rutherford model of an atom, he come to a conclusion that only certain special orbits are known as discrete orbit of electron, and these discrete orbit of electron is allowed inside the atom, and while it is resolving in discrete orbit, the electron do not radiate energy, and these orbit or shell are known as energy level. So students, you can see the figure of the energy level of atom, and you can see the presence of different orbit or different shells. Also in the center you can see the red part, that is nothing but known as nucleus, that is in the center, and along with you can see following K shell, L shell, M shell, and N shell, and this was been represented by Bohr. The representation of shell were as follow. The K shell were having the number n equals to 1, following n, then L shell which is n equal to 2, M shell having n equal to 3, and N shell having n equal to 4. So this was how the representation of shell is, and this K, L, M, N shell is nothing but equal to n, and n is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. So students, this is the concept of Bohr atomic model, and on the above discussion I have given you some of the question of self-study, which is homework for you. So students, this was the Bohr atomic model, and in this topic we have seen the importance of Niels Bohr, we have seen the postulates of it, we have seen the energy level of atom, along with it we have seen the representation of shell, and we have seen the questions for self-study. So students, this is all for this video. See you in the next video.